Hello. She's about to fall off. What are you doing? This is what she's laughing at. 2, 3. Yo, 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 welcome, welcome. It is Thursday and Daniel is washing the back yard. Back patio area is not the cleanest, so I thought I'd just use the water to wash it off. And Daniel saw me and he's helping. Ooh, cold. And also good news, stop please. And good news, the pool opens tomorrow, which I'm super excited about. All right, TGIF just picked the kids up from school and we're gonna go enjoy our community swimming pool. This is day 1, it just opened today. There's drama about our pool key card and it didn't work, so we had to borrow our neighbors, but they're very nice in letting us borrow it while they're just, doing their own thing. But yeah, pool time, baby. Are you guys excited? Yeah! You wanna go? All right, kids, first day in the pool, community pool time. Chitty chitty bang bang. And there he goes. Starfish. We'll do it tomorrow.
Yeah.
You should see. 21 seconds, bro. Nice. All right, it is Saturday fun day. Went to Gabrielle's gymnastics class, came back. It was supposed to rain, but meteorologists. We got some of the neighbors' kids. We're walking to the pool. Pool day, baby. What's up? I got burnt yesterday too. Summer's here, baby. Pool day, baby. Let's go. Pool day. Let's do this, baby. .36. We came here at 4.5 hours at the pool. Leaving right now. It's a lot of fun. And I got burned.
I can't hold you. Look, I'm holding Miles. Next time.
Hey, good times, guys.
We're walking home with you guys.
Oh, okay, never mind then.
Yeah, tell me about it. Yeah?
Yeah.
아무래도 니한테 맹구 사달라고 그래야 되겠다.
All right, bada bing, bada boom. It is Monday, 2 days before the kids are on summer break. Insane. And we are at the pool. Pool day every day, baby. Shoot, this is awesome. I haven't done like regular pool time over 14 years since I've been in Korea. Do they have pools? Yes. Do they have community pools? No. They have a public pool that's like 2 hours away in Seoul by the Han River. I went there maybe a couple times with some friends back in 2015, I want to say, maybe 15, 14. But ages ago. Being in a community that has access to a pool, especially in the summer, regardless if I'm already burnt or not. We also learned that Gabrielle has my genetics with her skin, because she tans super easily and she's super brown. But Daniel, being in the sun just as long, is tan but not nearly as tan as I am or Gabrielle. So he has more of his mommy's skin genes, I think, because she came out for a couple hours. Veronica came out for a couple hours on Saturday, but didn't really tan at all. It's very interesting. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and if you hadn't already, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoyed today's family fun video, hit that like button. And remember, everyone, you guys are doing your best.